Who does claim at this stage that we are all out of the Stone Age? We are still that much wild when a dead body of a little child, paying price of uncommitted sin, having soil and cement like skin, can't be identified in the stones. Bomb have dispersed all his bones. When this twinkling tomorrow's star is extinguished in today's war, when we still have these wars, when there are no future stars. Fight is still of land and stones, no sympathy for these little bones. When human life is still so cheap, when the peace is to cry and weep, when there is still war and rage, we are still in the Stone Age. In the Stone Age.